Good morning, explorers. Ready for another adventure. So today we're going to start the 4-park, 1-day, 2-year-old toddler challenge. So we're going to go to all 4 parks at Disney World, 1 day with a 2-year-old. Can it be done? We're about to find out. Bump it.
Bump it.
Noggin. E.T. ya. Alright. Check out the crowds to get in there this morning. Woo! Alright, so we are heading into Polynesian. Have a little breakfast at Kona.
In 400 feet, turn right. Your dad couldn't save you.
We're here. Heading into Polynesian. There is the menu here. Let's see, what did you get? You got the Mickey shaped pancakes with bacon, right? Is that right, Elsa? Yeah. So what does that pancake look like? Good. Mickey? Not anymore. There's the Tonga toast. It's got a little banana, French toast. I'm gonna go in there and put a little strawberry pudding and syrup on it.
We are now stopping at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, a Victorian-style hotel offering the modern conveniences of a full-service spa and health club. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold on to the handrails and stay clear of the doors until the monorail stops completely. Monorail will be departing momentarily. Thank you.
E.T. E.T. There you go.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas. Our next stop is the Magic Kingdom. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please.
Just a few people here today. This is the entrance to get in. Thankfully we're going past order, which should speed things up a little bit. Just a little crowd. Heading off to our first fast pass at Barnstormer. Alright, are you ready to go? Alright, let's go do it. Give me a thumbs up. Alright. There is some Tron construction right here. Concrete poured. Here we go. Here we go. Day when Barnstormer has a line all the way out to there. Wow. So Dumbo showing 85-minute wait right now. Heading into Winnie the Pooh. What are we riding now? Winnie the Pooh. That's right. Here we go into Winnie the Pooh. Silly old bat.
One day, in the 100-acre wood, the East Wind traded places with Winnie. If you ask me, he'll never reach that tree.
Hooray for Pooh, too!
Well, Elle, you ready to go to the second park of the day? Give me a thumbs up. Finger up. Every time with the finger up. All right, park number 2. Here we go. So we got Flower and Garden Festival going on here. Go get them. Go.
I think she's so excited to see you, Goo. Big hugs. Easy cheese.
So after seeing Minnie and Goofy and Mickey Mouse, we decided to head over to Elsa's favorite ride, which is Figment. And yep, there was a little bit of a wait there, but that's okay because she loves that ride.
Y cuida los pequeñitos.
Where are we?
Gracias.
Where are we gonna go ride? Figment? Figment. Yeah.
Always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent! You said it, Doc! Imagination is a blast! Imagination, imagination. A dream can be a dream come true with just that spark from me and you.
Figment in flower form. We're in the butterfly house now. I also wanted to see some butterflies. There's a couple of them coming around. A few of them there. Red blue instead of the blue. I'm sure they're doing construction for the new Ratatouille ride right over there. Moving along. Gonna take the boat over to Hollywood Studios. Have lunch over in Toy Story Land. Yeah, so what are we about to do? Ready to go on a boat? Where are we going? Okay. Alright. Heading into park number 3. Disney's Hollywood Studios. Here we go. Elsa. Elle, over here. Alright, come on. There we go. I still miss Mickey's sorcerer's hat. Heading into Toy Story Land. Alright. Yep, time for a bathroom break. We're gonna have lunch at the Toy Box. Lunchbox, sorry. The lunchbox. So here is the menu for the lunchbox at Toy Story Land. Barbecue brisket looks good. I may go for the smoked turkey sandwich. And of course, Elsa's gonna get the grilled cheese. Alright, so we got got the barbecue brisket sandwich there with some tots and a water. Kids' meals come with a cutie orange, which I will have to peel. And she got the grilled cheese. Does it look good? How's it taste? Thumbs up? Finger up. We still haven't figured that out yet. And check out these wait times. Wow. Aerial show. How'd you like Woody's lunchbox? Randy's lunchbox. Is it good? How's your grilled cheese? Grilled cheese was good. The brisket sandwich, not so much. Pretty fatty. In the stomach a little bit already. So anyway, we're gonna do the aerial show and then hop over to Animal Kingdom. Okay? And that'll be the 4-part challenge completion. One show or one ride per park. All right, bump it. Bump it. Knock it. There you go. So just got done with Little Mermaid. And looks like the boss himself's coming out here. Fet. Yes. Darth Maul looks awesome. It's pretty cool. She's an awesome ride. So I would absolutely not be doing my job as an amateur vlogger if I didn't at least get one gondola practice shot out here as we're walking out towards the buses. So just like everybody else that's been visiting the world in the past 2 months, that goes on social media. And I'll stop here in just a second, so you kind of idea for the speed. There's one that's not covered. Yeah, I sure do. Well, my wife does. I'm just kind of helping out.
What's the YouTube channel?
It is A&E's Adventures. Yep. And just so you know, there is a ton of these things running. A ton of them running. They've been running all day too. So, getting close. You can see the vents right there on that yellow one. These are the new bus stops. Come all the way around here. And all the way over there as well. So we're actually going by 4 different means of transportation. So we're doing the bus, monorail, the boat, and we're going to do a minivan to wrap it up. So 4 parks, 4 modes of transportation, and 1 2-year-old toddler. Say hey, Elsa. Hi. Just about there. Hey Elsa, where are we? Triceratops ride. She means we're at the 4th park, Animal Kingdom Park. Let's get a picture. Alright, coming down, there's the tree of life. We're gonna hang a right and do the Triceratops ride. She's wanted to do all day. Alright, so we did it 4 parks, 4 modes of transportation, 1 day with a 2-year-old. We're about to ride with the Triceratops. Is that right? We're ride Triceratops. And it is bumping over here in Dino-Rama. It's got a DJ going in there playing pretty loud. So here we go. Arms up. Elsa, look out here. Arms up. As you're leaving the Animal Kingdom parking lot, you're going to take a right where it forks. The minivan bus service is on the far right-hand side, back in the very back. You'll follow this little path around the outside area, and that is where you're aboard using a Lyft app. It will tell you when the minivan's going to be there. So at the minivan stop. For minivan services, Disney uses Chevy Traverse crossover SUVs with plenty of car seats, and for the accessible vans are the Ford Transit vehicles. Saying here they come in right here. Awesome. You ready? Let's. Hey, so we just got dropped off at gate number 8. That is where the minivan bus drops you off. Designated at 8 and 7 if there's overflow. And so take a look, because this is where they drop you off. Right next to the entry. That is super, super convenient. All right, let's head back to Magic Kingdom, wrap it up. So it looks like the castle is actually open to walk through. So we're gonna go do that. If you get a chance and you see that the castle gates are open, try to take a minute to walk through Cinderella's castle and take your time. Don't just blow right through there. These murals that are on the walls are very intricate and very detailed, and they give the overall storyboard for Cinderella, which is, of course, what the name of the castle is, being Cinderella's castle. So again, take the time and really appreciate the artwork and the intricacy of these murals. Because why not? Alright, last ride of the night. Wrap it up with Peter Pan. Currently 105-minute wait. We got a fast pass. What ride are we on? Elsa, what are we on? Peter Pan! So, fan theory is that Ariel's mom. So that crowd is for the express monorail to the normal parking. And over here, that's the resorts. Big difference.
Please stand clear of the door. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las puertas.
Alright, so we did it. 4 parks, 4 modes of transportation, with a 2-year-old, 1 day. 1 day. GoPro's dead, so we gotta do this on the iPhone, so forgive the shakiness. Alright, we will catch y'all on the next adventure. Pound it.
Pound it.
Noggin.
Noggin.
E.T. it.
And here.
There you go.